In this video, you will see how to underline text using keyboard shortcut. It's very easy. If you are using a Windows laptop or a computer, then just type what you want inside the Word document. After typing, use your mouse or a keyboard to select the word you wish to underline. On your Windows keyboard, press Ctrl U to get the underline. Now if you start typing, the underline will continue, and if you want to stop the underline, then just press again Ctrl U on your Windows keyboard to enter the normal text without underline. If you are using a Mac, then select the text using your Mac keyboard or a mouse and press Command U on your Mac keyboard to get the underline. Here too the text will be underlined. If you start typing, to stop the underline, just press Command U again on your Mac keyboard. Now check out these useful shortcuts shown on screen. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And if you want to know more keyboard shortcuts, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.